Hello, welcome back to the channel again. So I just want to talk to you and let you know what's going on with my verification. So as you know, in the first day of my funded account, I made over 8,600. So I was just 1,500 away, but I just want to test the same strategy to see if it works over and over again. Yeah. So I brought it back. I lost all the 8,600 and I brought it back to I think about 195,000, and I sent it back up again to um, I sent it back up again to 207,000, and I brought it down again to 191,000. And I've just used the same strategy. So yesterday was about 191,000. So you can see I just closed these trades. Even the trade went above because I should have finished now. I don't know. On my challenge account, when you hit the target, it automatically cuts you because I went to shower and I was about 211,000. Okay, because I was trading the Euro New Zealand trade. So I have no idea why it didn't cut me out when I went when I hit the target of 210,000. So you can see I just closed the Euro New Zealand trades here, which is 10,000. It was this was the both of them was about 12,000. Okay, so when I came, I just closed it, and then I don't know why. So these are trades I was doing yesterday. Someone will say, yeah, your lot sizes are big. When you know the market like I do, you don't care the lot sizes that I do. So you can see this is the trade history. Yeah, on the part, this is on the one day where I lost about 7,000 on the US dollar, just to bring and test the strategy. You can see this is also losing about 7,000 on the Euro, the same Euro New Zealand trade. Okay, then taking the account back up and bringing the account down, and this is the day. You can see I lost about 8,000 after. That's the first day. Second day, which I was supposed to make only 1,500, but I just brought it down just to test the strategies to see. So when I'm going for a meeting when US market opens, I'll be back. It doesn't matter if I do 60 a pip, if I do 100 a point or whatever, because I know the market like back of my hand. I know where the market reverses, I know where the market goes, and I've known this as I've done that by practicing a long time. So you can see this is taking me 11 days instead of 2 days, and this is 62 point win rate because of the losses I took. And this is which I told you I was going to better, which I did, but because of testing the strategies, I have to lose that. And you can see, so this is the average losing trade, and this is the average. The difference is not much, but on my funded account is going to be much better. This is the evaluation step 2. So either by Friday or by next week Monday, Elohim Yahweh's willing, I should have my funded account and start trading, and I'll bring you everything. And this time, hopefully, I am not going to do the mistake of placing huge size lots, because for the next 3 months on the funded account, I'll only have access to doing ten lot size per asset. So if I'm trading the Euro New Zealand, I can do only 10 lot size per trade. For any other asset, I can't do 20. If I do 20, it's a failure. And last time I was 2 days away from getting paid, and I evaluated the account. So this time I'm not going to do that again. Yes, so everything is determination. is finding the right mentor and not people who are after your money. So you all know I've just come back from property mentorship for a while. Naturally, it will continue on, but let me tell you what I think. Okay, so this 1 year course academy, okay, course, they have development course, they have this, but the academy alone costs about £11,000. And let me give you my fair assessment. Well, I don't believe it's worth that, even for 1 year. Why? Because if you make money from what you do, when you're teaching people, I don't believe you need to charge that lot. And if you'll be watching my channel, you see I've talked about, and I'll be talking about all the strategies what I didn't know before, but this is just straightforward. It doesn't take buy to let, BRR, HMO, multiple service accommodation and everything. I'll talk through you all, and every deal that I'll do also I'll show you. So the strategy they are using is more of selling emotions. So they will offer 2-day or 3-day free courses. Okay, 2 days or 3 days free courses, and when you go, there is about average of 300 people attending a particular course, the 2 days or the 3-day courses, and out of this you have at least 50 of them buying the course. So even if 50 is buying, that is £500,000. Okay, so if they are doing this 4 times in a month, that is 2 million in revenue. So I don't believe they achieve all their portfolio starting from nothing. I believe they sell this, and the owner, after he pays all the people, his workers off, what is left they use it to invest in property. Okay, so if you ask me, do you have to? No, you can attend the free courses just to do networking, because when you go for networking, that's where you meet a lot of people there. You make friends, you make business friends and stuff, because a lot of people come there and they are rich and they want to invest, but they have no idea. So these 2-3 days information that you gather, I don't believe that there is any advanced strategy or whatever. All you need to do is, when you start, in just like any other business, you start small. Okay, if you start small, then later you can go in big. That's all I can say. You start small, because you've not done it before, so you go in probably doing 1 bed 1 bath accommodation, learn the mistakes from there, then you move on, and as you get experience, because remember, working in construction, no building, even renovations, goes according to plan, especially when you are doing bigger renovation, like when we did we were doing the Odeon cinema renovations. Nothing goes to plan. So there's going to be some lessons, there's going to be some mistakes. It's just like trading. After you practice your demo account and you are confident that you're going to make trades, you don't go, even if you are rich, you don't go putting £10 million in your account, or $10 million, or 10 million euros, whatever currency, even though if you can afford, because it doesn't make sense. You need to start small, maybe 50, or the minimum the broker allows you to. If it is 100, if it is 50, you go for that and make those mistakes. And as you learn those mistakes and you correct them, then gradually you increase your account size. This is how it is. So in my view, maybe £2,000 for the course for maybe 2 months or 3 months or 1 year even, because everything could be done online. It's not necessary once you sign up that you should be going on and on. So don't get on emotional buy. Okay, I told you my experience learning trading back in the days 2005 when I started. I wanted to learn how I got scammed, paying huge lot of money. Even went for property development course, the same, rich dad poor dad. And then I've paid like £3,000 for 2 days, 3 days, says Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the Sunday actually we did nothing, so I don't value that. But afterwards, how they wanted us to come for an advanced course and pay extra money, and after that they were saying come for one-on-one mentoring. All this just to scam money out of you. And when we refused, they just drove us out. That like, you people are not serious to make money, so they just as if nothing was. Then calling us later, offering us a 1-year mentorship for $50,000. Man, that is crap. I know it's difficult, and going forward things are going to get more difficult. But yes, but if you learn, if you learn hard, if you find people who want your success, you're not going to give your hard-earned money to these people. Okay, so yes, I have taken the few positives that I have. Yes, and I'll be going for free property development courses, not to go with my intention of signing up for course, no, but with the intentions of networking, because your network is your net worth. Okay, people might bring you deals, people that you meet and you make friends with. If you find a deal and you don't have money, they might be able to provide the funds for you, so you keep them in the deal, and it becomes a win-win situation for everybody. Yes, so everything requires hard work, it requires commitment, and it requires what I can say is practice, find a strategy that works for you, keep on fine tuning it, and at least spend an hour in the market to learn. Okay, spend an hour in the market to learn. If you can spend an hour every day in the market to learn, then you are going to be successful. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Take care.